Hi guys and girls, welcome bright stars. In this ride, 183 divided by 183, which equals 1, and 183 divided by 183 equals 1. Now we have this problem, 1 divided by 1, which equals 1. But this answer is not correct, because according to the order of operations, we must do this division, then this division, and at last this division. So we have first this division, 183 divided by 183 equals 1. So we have 1 divided by 183 divided by 183, and we can write this part as 1 over 183 divided by 183. So we must keep the first fraction 1 over 183 and change division to multiplication times. Then flip the second fraction 1 over 183, which equals 1 over 33,489. And this is our final answer for this problem. Hit like and subscribe to stay tuned for future videos.